Hello, it's me. Hey guys, welcome back. So today I have an exciting video. About 1 year ago, I bought my very first Louis Vuitton purse and I decided to do it again this year. So here it is, the beautiful, beautiful orange bag. I knew I wanted another one. I knew. I didn't know which kind I wanted. Because, I mean, there's a billion of them. I was like, do I want a bigger one? Do I want a tiny one? Do I want a medium one? Do I want that just like, which print do I want? There's just so many options that I can use. And I was just like, mind blown. So I went to 2 different Louis Vuitton places to figure out exactly which ones I want. It's just so pretty. Even the bag is like super pretty. The only thing that I was a little bit mad about was because they didn't give me champagne this time. Like, given, okay, it was like 10 in the morning, but hey, I still want that champagne in there. So I'm gonna open up the bag because it gives you another bag and it's full. Let's open this bad boy. And let's see what purse I chose this time. So I'm not like a Louis Vuitton expert or anything. I just really like my big one that I have. I have my Louis Neverfull, and I have the MM, so the middle one. So I wanted to be something a little bit smaller, but nothing that's like super tiny, you know, like I didn't want like a PP. There was one that I wanted and it was just too small. So I chose this one. So just looking at this little bag thing, do you already know which one I chose? Let me know down below which one you think that I got. So just pause this so you can make your guess on which one I got because I'm absolutely in love with this. I haven't even used it yet because I wanted to do this video for you guys. I haven't even opened it at home. I only looked at it at the store, and that was like 3 days ago. But I'm super excited to show you guys. So let's see what I got. Isn't it just so pretty? It is absolutely perfect. You can see here I got the MM as well. So my last one is an MM and this one is an MM. The PM is just so small. It just looked so awkward for me just because I'm so tall and things. So looking at the PM was just too small for me. So this is the MM. Guys, this is so pretty. I love the details here, and it has it on the other side as well. I did want it the one with the Louis Vuitton print. They don't have that on this, so I would have rather had that, but they don't have this on this print. But I do really like this as well. So if you guys would like to see a what's in my bag type of video after I finally put everything in it, let me know. So I do have other videos with what's in my bag thing. So if you guys want to see that, I'll put the link up here for you guys to watch another video. That was not Louis Vuitton ones though, but just in general. But if you'd like to see my new Louis for my what's in my bag, let me know. But this is just kind of what it looks like. It does come with a strap, which I love. I probably won't wear it often, I don't think. I'm not 100% sure. Alright, so I just stood up so you can see, and this purse just fits so perfectly. This, the side and the length of everything is just absolutely perfect, I think, for my body. And I just think it's so cute. Look at this purse, guys. But yeah, so I just absolutely love it. And on the inside there are 2 little compartments on this side, and then there's one bigger one right here. And I'm definitely going to be using my other wallet for my other Louis and put it in here. It is the different print, I think, but I'm definitely gonna use it because it's just so pretty. But yeah, I absolutely love it. I know it was expensive, I know, but sometimes you just need to splurge. And to be honest, I don't ever spend money. I hate spending money. So the two things that I really have bought in the past 2 years were my two Louis, because everything else I just put it right into the bank and done. But I hope you guys liked this video. Once again, let me know down below if you guys would like to see my what's in my bag when I have my new Louis. But yeah, I hope you guys liked this video. I love you guys so much, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.